What if your Porsche has been hiding features you've never touched, and some of them completely change how the car drives, sounds, and feels? Not modifications. Not upgrades. Factory-built functions that shipped with your car and nobody ever showed you. Today we're going through 12 of them. The last one turns your car into a 20-second rocket. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get into it. Number 1. The left side ignition has a racing origin. Every other car puts the ignition on the right. Porsche has kept it on the left for 6 decades. The reason traces back to Le Mans. Before 1970, drivers sprinted across the track to their cars at the start. A left side ignition lets the driver insert the key with the left hand while the right hand grabs the gear lever simultaneously. 2 actions at once. Fractions of a second saved. Your Porsche inherited that decision directly from the racetrack, and Porsche has never changed it. Number 2. The wiper service position. Winter morning. You lift a wiper arm to scrape ice. It swings back and scratches the bonnet. 4-figure repaint. Porsche built a solution into every car. Turn the engine on then off. Within a few seconds of switching off, press the wiper stalk down and hold it for 1 second. The wipers sweep up and park vertically, completely clear of the bonnet. Safe to lift, replace, or scrape. On the Taycan, press the power button once without braking, then press the stalk down. Same result. Find this before you need it. Liking this so far? Don't forget to subscribe this channel and check out our latest videos through our playlists. Number 3. Hidden storage under the passenger seat. On the Macan and Cayenne, there is a concealed storage tray built into the underside of the front passenger seat. No label. No marking. Nothing to indicate it's there. Reach under the seat from the side and feel for it. A tray slides out with a flat compartment, perfect for a spare key, parking pass, emergency cash, or a charging cable. Porsche hides practical features to keep the cabin visually clean. Most owners drive for years without ever finding this. Number 4. Roll every window down from outside. Your Porsche has been baking in the sun for 4 hours. Instead of climbing into a furnace, press the unlock button once, then press and hold it a second time. Every window rolls down simultaneously. Sunroof opens too if you have one. The cabin vents heat before you even reach the car. To close everything, press and hold the lock button. Windows up, sunroof closed, car locked. One button handles everything. On older models, this needs to be activated through the PCM settings menu first. Number 5. Brake hold at every red light. Sitting at a red light with your foot on the brake for 90 seconds gets old fast. Brake hold eliminates it. Come to a complete stop, then press the brake pedal harder than normal until a small green hold indicator appears on the cluster. Release the pedal entirely. The car holds itself in place using the electronic parking brake. Brake lights stay on. When the light turns green, press the accelerator and it releases instantly. Works on hills, flat ground, drive-thrus, everywhere. One Taycan owner discovered this after a full year of ownership. Number 6. The individual drive mode nobody configures. Normal, Sport, Sport Plus, and then there's individual. The most powerful mode on the dial and almost nobody touches it. It ships from the factory doing nothing. Porsche left the setup entirely to you. Open the PCM, go to Vehicle Settings, Drive Mode, Individual. Set Engine Response to Sport Plus. Set the steering to Sport. Set suspension to normal for a comfortable ride. Set exhaust to Sport. Save it. Sharp throttle, weighted steering, comfortable ride, active exhaust. All in one mode. No pre-built setting gives you that exact combination. The dealer never shows you that this exists. Number 7. The cold start bark trick. Sports exhaust fitted? Before starting the car, press the start button once without touching the brake pedal. This powers the electronics only. Now press the sport exhaust button or switch to sport mode. Exhaust valves open before the engine fires. Now start the engine fully. The startup note bypasses the baffles entirely. The flat 6 or V8 erupts with a valve open bark that carries across the street. This is the Porsche cold start that gets millions of views online every single day. Every morning starts the way the car was meant to sound. Number 8. The Track Precision app in your PCM. Download the Porsche Track Precision app on your phone and pair it through the PCM. It records lap times, sector splits, G-forces, braking points, and throttle position in real time. Import any circuit from a global database, Nürburgring, Spa, Silverstone, and it starts timing automatically when you cross the start line. After the session, you get full data analysis, braking heat maps, and video overlay options. Most owners have a car worth over $100,000 with a built-in telemetry suite and never once open the app. Number 9. Launch control works on more cars than you think. Available on the Cayenne, Panamera, Macan Turbo, 911, Taycan, and any model with Sport Chrono and PDK. Switch to Sport Plus. Left foot firmly on the brake. Right foot floors the accelerator. Engine climbs to optimal launch RPM and holds. Release the brake. The car manages engine output, clutch preloading and traction control simultaneously in a way no driver can replicate manually. On a Taycan it's even simpler. Sport Plus, brake, floor it, release. Use it occasionally. When you need everything the car has, this is how you access it. Liking this so far? Don't forget to subscribe this channel and check out our latest videos through our playlists. Number 10. The Sport Response button. You've used Sport Mode. You've used Sport Plus. There is a third level most owners have never touched. And when you press it, your car enters a 20-second state of everything Porsche engineered into it at once. It's called the Sport Response button. It sits in the center of the drive mode dial on your steering wheel if your car has the Sport Chrono package. One press. 20 seconds. Throttle sharpens beyond Sport Plus. The transmission downshifts to the optimal gear. Exhaust valves lock open. Suspension stiffens. A countdown timer appears on your cluster and ticks from 20 to 0. On a 911 Turbo S, it spikes the turbos to peak boost and holds them. On a Taycan, it unlocks an additional 70 kilowatts of motor output for 10 seconds. On any Porsche with the system, it delivers a temporary state sharper and more aggressive than any other mode the car can produce. The use case is specific. A motorway merge, a passing move, a moment where you need everything immediately. Press it. Use the 20 seconds. Press it again early to cancel if you want. Most owners don't know they can exit mid-countdown. Now you do. Number 11. The hidden passenger seat tray you've been missing. Worth returning to this one because so many Porsche owners still haven't found it. On the Macan and Cayenne, there is a storage tray built directly into the underside of the front passenger seat. No label. No marking. No indicator it's there at all. Reach under the seat from the side, feel for the tray and slide it out. Flat compartment. Perfect for a spare key, a parking pass, emergency cash, a cable, anything small you want hidden but accessible. Porsche's interior philosophy is clean above all else. Useful things get hidden so the cabin stays visually pure. That's the entire reason this exists and the entire reason most owners never find it. Check yours tonight. Number 12. Topping off after the pump clicks. The pump clicks off. You squeeze once more to round up to the next dollar. What's the harm? Mechanics call what happens next the canister kill. And once it happens there's no coming back. Every modern car has a charcoal canister designed to trap fuel vapors until the engine burns them off safely. That canister is built for vapor, not liquid. When the pump clicks, the tank is full. Above the fuel sits an expansion space that the engineers built in deliberately. Keep squeezing and liquid fuel gets forced into that space, backs up into the vent lines and soaks the canister. It stops filtering vapor and starts acting like a wet sponge in your fuel system. Rough idle. Fuel smell. Check engine light. Repair bill of $300 to $900 to restore what the canister used to do for free. 10 features. All factory built. All sitting in your Porsche right now. The Le Mans ignition, the wiper trick, the hidden tray, remote windows, brake hold, individual mode, the cold start bark, track precision, launch control, and the sport response button. Your Porsche has always been more capable than you knew. Subscribe, we cover this every week. Now drop it in the comments. Which one did you not know about? And if you found a hidden Porsche feature we missed, tell us below. Let's see what else these cars are hiding.